So hi all, my name is Shubham Kumar, and today I'm going to start a complete training of Microsoft Azure portal and with the practice lab also. So first of all, just begin with the fundamental. What is cloud? The first question arise into our mind: what is cloud? Why we need the cloud, and what is a requirement? Okay. So let's continue with this question. Before getting into the deep, let's look before the cloud what we are doing. Okay, so basically in traditional data center, which was there before the cloud one, we have the three things over there, that is servers, networks and storage. So we can say that the combination of these three is the data center. Okay, so in traditional data center, we have basically the self-managed data center, which was managed by the organization, and there are some few points which they covered on. Okay, so basically these are the dedicated DCs, mean to say these DCs are only available to the current organization who have purchased this hardware. Okay, so there was some challenge for that. First of all, the spot demand. So basically spot demand, you can say that suddenly a spike is arise that you need a so much big infrastructure to fulfill the requirement of the uh, application. So you can understood is something an example of Amazon. Sometime a sale is coming, and at the time of sales there are lot of users increase, so spot demand is coming basically. So on that case, you cannot predict that how much user will come onto my portal or on my application. So the capacity planning come into the rise, basically how much memory I have to take, how much storage I have to take, and the CPU hardware, or these things I have to plan. Okay, utilization is limited because the hardware is limited. Provisioning take too much time, because if you need to add some new hardware, suppose a storage or suppose some new processors, so it will take too much time, nearly days or more than a days or more than a week it could take. Okay, to increase the infrastructure. And the finally is costing. So in traditional data center, it take the capex costing. Basically capex costing is the costing that is one time cost which is occurred to purchase the whole infrastructure. Okay, so it could be a too much high or big to be purchased to or a overburden to a organization to purchase one time. Okay, so this was the basically the traditional data center. So now compare with the cloud one. Okay, so what does the cloud did? All the infrastructure which was server, network and storage is still available, but it is managed by the cloud service provider. Okay, and what it did now, the data center is not private to the specific organization, it is universal. The hardware could increase or decrease on demand. And pool is a shared pool. So basically what is shared pool? The same hardware is used by you or some other, or basically it is public, so anyone can use the same hardware. Okay, it is not dependent that only you can use them. Increase utilization, on demand you can increase that. Rapid provisioning. So what is rapid provisioning? It take nearly 5 to 10 minutes to increase the hardware infrastructure. Suppose you want to some memory, you want to storage, you can do it by your portal or by your on or by your script, executing a script. Okay, and in case of the costing, it is opex costing. What is opex? Basically pay per model cost is coming. So how much you used, it will incorporate, it will pay only, the user will pay only for that amount of time. Suppose a user purchase or taken the 4 virtual machine, and it continue with the 2 days, so only the 2 days for machine cost will added or should be paid by the user, no other cost coming into the picture. Okay, so I think it is clear now what is cloud. So cloud is a infrastructure provider that provide servers, network and storage on demand. Okay, so basically as soon as you need more hardware, you can do it on demand, you can increase, you can decrease. So this was the primary question which, or primary problem which was fulfilled by the cloud one. Okay, so thank you, and next video we will discuss about the characteristic of the cloud. Thank you for watching the video. I think you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe.